Welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a home directory for an existing user in Ubuntu. First, I will open a terminal. So, if you are an Ubuntu user, you may have noticed that sometimes when we create a new user, home directory is not created along with it. In this situation, you need to create a home directory for the user manual. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to create a home directory for an existing user in Ubuntu. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. At first, I will create a new user by just typing the user command. Here, my new username is Abir. Oops, what happened? Permission denied. That means we need to be the root user or use the root privileges. That is, we will use the sudo command with user command. Sudo user Abir. Here we go. The user is created. Now, I will have to set the password for the new user. For that, I will use sudo passwd Abir. It asks for the new user password. I will give a simple password. For that, the password is a bad password. You can skip that by suggesting or giving a strong password. I will retype the password. That you can see that the password is updated successfully. Now I will check whether my user has been created or not by just typing the command getend passwd pipe get Abir. In the next step, I will log in to the new user by using the switch user command, which is su-space-abir. It asks for the password of the user. You can see that a warning comes up. It says cannot change directories to home. That means there is no home directory created for my user. In the next step, what to do now? We have to create a home directory for the user. So I will use the sudo and then make home directory _ helper command to create a home directory for my user. I will have to give the password again. Here you go. We can see that it is done. In the last step, I will list all files in the home directory of the new user. For that, I will use the ls command along with -am /home /the new user Abir. You can see that all my files or the home directory files are visible here as in the command prompt. So this is how I make an existing user in Ubuntu.